If you're thinking about signing up for Coursera, definitely watch this video first. I've been using Coursera for a couple months now, and in this video, I want to share everything that you should know before signing up. I'll go over what they have to offer, my own experience, and some issues that I had with the platform. If at any point while watching you decide to give Coursera a try, there's a link in the video description below that'll save you some money when you sign up. After trying Coursera for a while now, I'd say what I really liked about them is the quality of their courses. They're all made by professionals, and I personally found their courses easy to follow. So it really felt like I learned something in the end. Their classes are organized in a way that helps absolute beginners learn quickly about new subjects and actually remember the covered info. And I think the quality of their courses is very much connected to the person giving them. I found my instructors so far to be very professional and helpful. I can't speak for all their courses, but the ones I tried so far were great. They aren't just feeding you information from a book, they also cover how to apply the lessons in real life. Some of my instructors gave me hands-on assignments and projects for us to complete. And I appreciate the extra effort since not everyone learned well from just covering the theoretical side. Many people like me also need to actually use that knowledge for it to be really retained. But aside from quality, Coursera also delivers when it comes to quantity of their courses. I had so many courses to choose from, and at first, I was overwhelmed with what I saw, since I didn't know what to pick. I took a while to really read all the details before making a decision, since they often even have multiple options for the same subject. And Coursera also respects your time by adjusting to the pace of the learners and their availability. In my case, I could only attend 2 to 3 hours of lessons a day since I have a full-time job. So I choose a course that focuses more on assignments rather than attendance time. And they even have a full-time degree courses as well. But the selection there is pretty limited. I mostly saw offers relating to IT and marketing. Makes sense to offer the courses that can easily be taught online. Aside from this, I also like that Coursera has tons of online resources you could use to help you. They have interactive quizzes and online communities that can help you connect with fellow students. There are also resources in multiple languages, and I found their community to be very understanding and helpful. Now, no platform is perfect, and that applies to Coursera as well. I think they could improve when it comes to their prices because a lot of their courses are very expensive. Now, I understand they need to pay their resources and instructors, but I wish they at least lower the price a little bit, since depending on where you're from, the prices can be pretty steep. But if you want to give them a try, I could recommend signing up for Coursera Plus, since you won't need to pay for individual courses and just pay for the subscription. If you're planning to do more than one course, it'll probably already be worth it. And if you decide to sign up, then don't forget about the discount link in the description to save yourself some money on your course or subscription. And that's it. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Bye.